Here's what you'll see when you plug the SD card in and boot up the first time using NOOBS. It's going to give you a menu, some options that you can set. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pick Raspbian. And it gives you the option to put the OS on the SD card, or since I have one of my flash drives plugged in already, it gives me the option to put it there as well. I like to put it on the SD card, which in this case is the UltraFit. So I'm going to go ahead and put it there. If you don't have a flash drive plugged in, you will not get two options. You can change any other options you like. You can also set up your wireless network. If you connect it to your Wi-Fi, you're going to get more options for downloads. Once we get this in here, you'll see some more show up. For our purposes, we're gonna stick with Raspbian. A few more options there. Okay, go ahead, click install, click yes, and wait for it to download and install. Once it's finished, click OK, and it will reboot into your OS that you installed. And there you are, Raspbian installed using the NOOBS, new out-of-box software.